Hi friends, it is Thursday, August 20th, and my hair is looking rough because I just got out the bathtub. But my first round of inventory was supposed to come today, but it's been delayed. There's so many fires in the Bay, just so many. And around the Bay Area, through Central California, California's just like on fire, y'all. So if you live in California, be safe. Keep an eye out in your area for what's going on. There's an active fire pretty close to me, so I've been on high alert. But yeah, I'll show you guys like how it looks outside. So don't mind my dirty window, but it is so foggy. Not foggy, smoky. It is so smoky right now. You usually can see like mountains in the distance, but it is so smoky just from the fires that we are unable to do that. So yeah. But anyway, so what I'm doing right now is I am about to send out emails to my influencers for SUMBAE, just to get general interest from a few people that I've contacted. And then I am going to be showing you my marketing materials that I started to work on. So I'm creating my custom hang tags and then my thank you cards. And y'all, I'm just so obsessed with my logo, just like so obsessed. Don't mind my room. It's a mess right now just because I was repacking my emergency bag just in case we need to go. But yeah, chat soon. And this is my stabilizer. It is from, hold on a second, DGI, and I love it because it has the handle so I can move. Ooh. And it's great. I am obsessed with this thing. It's so good for vlogging and capturing like b-roll, things for like my outfits, videos, and I just love it because you don't have to deal with like that shaky camera movement. And there is a DJI app. They have like the most bomb stabilizers, so y'all, if you want to upgrade your like setup and you like only use your phone, like this is something to invest in, and it was like less than $100. So them deals. What is up, party people? Don't mind your girl, I'm wearing the same shirt as yesterday because you know what, we could do that sometimes. But anyway, super excited. Today is inventory day and we got the inventory for SUMBAE. Very excited. I definitely think there's some gems in this. You know, with vintage and buying vintage wholesale, not everything is like, oh my god, I love it, but someone will, and that's like the whole point. So I definitely have a game plan to whatever I may not list on SUMBAE will probably go on my Depop just to give it a chance there. Some items may go on eBay just depending on the rarity. I really want to ensure that SUMBAE is still at an affordable price point, even though it is vintage clothing. So yes, that's the goal. I will be cataloging the inventory tonight, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go take everything to the laundromat, do a full wash day of all the pieces. I have 60 pieces total. I don't know if all 60 are gonna go up for the launch or be on the website. Not totally sure. Definitely not all 60 because some's gonna go to influencers, and then I might actually order one more round of inventory to go with the launch. So we'll just see. I definitely have to like wash everything and then clean everything, just to try to clean everything up to the best of my ability. And then product photos will definitely happen at some point next weekend, so TBD, but stay tuned and we'll be back. Inventory day.
Inventory day.
It's here. The heat is here. Y'all, I'm so excited.
I already cut my piece.
Show them which one you're gonna keep.
Shout out Odell Beckham.
Hey. Cleveland Browns. We got some pro sportswear. Got a bunch of different stuff. The NASCAR racing stuff that everyone is ranting and raving about. Some miscellaneous vintage tees and sweatshirts are coming, and y'all, I'm just so excited. And there's a whole other box to go through, so t-shirts next. The inventory's here, y'all. I thought I was gonna get here because of the fires. I was real worried. Got some Metallica, some Pro Sportswear that's coming in, some NASCAR. I'm obsessed with this one. This is my favorite one. Very obsessed. The Wallace. I like the little details on the sleeve. Gotta clean this up to get all this pilling off. Make sure it's good to go. And this Wisconsin row. This World's Bowl one. So dope. From 1994. This one's in such good condition. Bay Packers.
Jay, are you excited?
Jay doesn't care.
Hey man, get your big ass nose out the box, bro.
Get out the box, get away. No one likes you. Some Harley stuff. Y'all know I'm obsessed with Harley. This one's like my favorite and I really want to keep it. It's the back. So I got 10 Harley shirts for this first drop. These sell so fast, so if you're interested in any of the Harleys, I recommend getting them pre-launch. Got this one that came in, and the back's really cool actually. It's like a little pirate. And I love it. It's like it's Mexico. Harley stuff coming soon. Everyone's favorites, the racing tees. Getting so many questions about the racing tees. This one's definitely a little bit newer. The 2000s. This one is definitely older. I'm gonna try to find the years on all these later if I can. Yeah. Oh, this is 1999. Which, yes. I really like this. I kind of want it for myself. Should I keep this one?
Yep.
No. Yeah, this one has a little bit more of the stains on it. But it's okay, because it's hecka dope. Let's see what I can clean up on that one. I really love this print. This one. Drop some of these and like next job. Do some stuff. The front's not as popping, but the back design, I think it's pretty freaking awesome. And it's a medium, so it's a little bit smaller. Can't really tell what year with this one. But yes, only limited supply of the racing tees. These ones are gonna go quick. Everyone keeps asking about them, Gabe. People want these.